What's up YouTube, what's up y'all? My name is Habibah Jones and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we're doing a quick tutorial on how to create a shadow on a text. Have that kind of effect, this kind of effect that I'm talking about. So yeah, so first of all, you're going to have your workspace like this, and make sure you have a solid background. The background shouldn't be white like this, it has to be solid. So it's either black, red, blue, any solid background. Then you have your text in white. Duplicate the text, so I have open here. Then after you've duplicated, you are going to select the first text, then go to the effects, select drop shadow. You are going to have the drop shadow open like this. Make sure that if the shadow is working enough, click OK. Then you have to make sure that you are separating the drop shadow from the text. So I'm going to right click on the drop shadow here, click on create layer, and now you see we have the text separated from we have the shadow separated from the text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that this text and the shadow is on top of the text that we duplicated. So I'm going to drag it on top like this, and now when you look very closely, you can see that the shadows from the first text is overlaying onto the text that we have here. And yes, that is how to create a shadow overlaying on another text. That is it for the tutorial. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.